My name is Mary Inoki. I'm serving as a leader of the Requirements Engineering course. I'd like to introduce the lecturers of the course. Lecturers of Requirements Engineering are engineers or researchers who are actually involved in the advanced technology at Requirements Engineering at actually companies. This course will provide participants with the basic knowledge and practices for requirements elicitation, analysis, specification, and validation. There are 4 lectures from multiple perspectives, encompassing basic, advanced, technology, and user-driven approaches. All lectures include practical group exercises. The basic requirements engineering serves an introduction and provides participants with basic knowledge of requirements engineering and requirements elicitation methods such as use case, scenario analysis. In the advanced requirements engineering, participants learn advanced modeling techniques such as innovation design and service creation. Design thinking-based requirements engineering is conducted in a workshop format to learn requirement elicitation methods focusing on user-driven, user experience, empathy, and co-creation. In the art thinking-based requirements engineering, participants' sensitivities and creativities are strengthened. Their discovery and vision skills are cultivated through the artwork. The contents of the lectures will be explained in the following slides. The basic requirements engineering serves as an introduction and provides participants with basic knowledge of requirements engineering and elicitation method, including use case, scenario, and claim analysis, and requirements verification and validation. Through exercises, participants will learn specific practices for efficiently and comprehensively eliciting diverse requirements from various stakeholders to demonstrate leadership in the field of requirements elicitation. The lecture plan for the course is shown here. This lecture consists of 8 lecture blocks. After an explanation of the technology of requirements engineering, participants will do exercises in teams or individually with the aim of establishing skills. Now let me talk about design thinking-based requirements engineering. According to Neri Oxman, the integration of SIDA perspective is important for innovation creation. Design thinking-based requirement engineering will focus on practical exercises with the aim of obtaining the requirements elicitation method, which is based on user-centered, user experience, and empathy co-creation. The hexagonal figure in the lower left of the slide shows the basic steps of design thinking. These steps are dropped into specific procedures in the lecture, and participants will continue to improve by experiencing them in a group workshop format. Some may have doubt about whether a workshop can even be done with remote design thinking. As seen in the upper right corner of the slide, pre-COVID-19 workshops used face-to-face discussion, paper-based customer journey maps, and prototyping using Lego blocks and more. In the online format Top SC course, various ICT environments like those in the lower right are used to practice in a way that is more effective than conventional workshops. For example, CJM will be utilized with an online whiteboard, and prototyping will utilize a cloud-based IoT platform. Additionally, we will hold workshops in the metaverse space because we want to practice more realistic discussions. Although there is much try and error, it is thought that this experience will help the participants grow further as engineers in a leadership position. The lecture plan for the design thinking-based requirements engineering is shown here. This consists of 8 lecture blocks. After giving a technical explanation, participants will be divided into groups and experience the process of generating business ideas that are conceived by each group materialized in a workshop format. In the advanced requirements engineering, explanation and discussions on cutting-edge technologies in the field of requirement engineering will be provided by guest lecturers. This lecture aims to provide participants with a high level of insight into various advanced technologies related to requirement engineering. In a nutshell, the theme is an innovation design method. This slide shows the lecture plan, which consists of 7 lecture blocks. We'll have engineers, researchers, and consultants who are active on the front lines of the field participates. And after an explanation of technical trends such as method, we will provide an omnibus format in which discussions and exercises will take place. Now let me introduce the Art Thinking-based requirement engineering course. It is said that the cycle of science, engineering, design, and the art is important for enhancing creative energy. In the requirement engineering series, we have provided lectures for acquiring knowledge, skills, and user perspectives by combining science and design with a focus on engineering. Here, we will incorporate the perspective of art to further enhance creativity. By doing so, we will enhance participants' sensitivity and cultivate their ability to notice problems and come up with ideas. We will invite experts in art thinking as lecturers. The lecture plan for art thinking-based requirement engineering is as follows. This consists of 8 lecture blocks. Participants will learn how to elicit requirements for critical digital business that take the diversity and variability of requirements into account, as well as cultivate art thinking. The participants will repeat art expressions such as drawing, viewing, interacting, and creating in a workshop format to awaken their dormant perceptions and sensitivities. Additionally, participants will acquire the vision and problem-finding skills that form the basis of innovation ideas by training the ability to think in a sensitive manner and simultaneously use the 5 senses to reflect and stimulate their receptive minds. As described above, the course offers the 4 fulfilling lectures to enhance the knowledge, skills, sensitivity, and vision that is needed to clarify the true customer requirements. We look forward to your participation in this series. Thank you very much for listening.